Ever wondered how to make the most out of your air fryer? Well, you're not alone. Air fryers have been quite the buzz in the culinary world. But what exactly are they? Think of an air fryer as a compact, high-speed convection oven that uses the power of circulating hot air to cook your food. It's a nifty kitchen appliance that can turn out crispy, delectable dishes with minimal oil, making it a healthier alternative to traditional frying. From fried chicken to French fries, to roasted vegetables and even baked goods, this versatile tool can do it all. Not to mention, it's a time saver too. With an air fryer, you can whip up a meal in no time at all. And the best part, it's easy to use. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, an air fryer can be your new best friend. So, stay tuned as we delve into the art of mastering your air fryer. Knowing your air fryer is the first step towards perfecting your dishes. So let's dive straight into understanding the features of this culinary game changer. The main components of an air fryer are the outer shell, the basket, and the drawer. The outer shell houses the heating element and a fan that circulates hot air around your food, giving it that delightful crispy finish. The basket is where you place your food, and it's usually detachable for easy cleaning. The drawer collects any drippings from the food, keeping your countertop clean and tidy. Now let's talk about the control panel. You'll typically find a temperature setting and a timer. The temperature setting allows you to adjust the heat level for optimal cooking. Most air fryers can heat up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, but some models can go even higher. The timer, on the other hand, helps you manage your cooking time. It can typically be set for up to 60 minutes, and when the time is up, the air fryer will automatically shut off. This is a fantastic feature that ensures you won't accidentally overcook your meals. Next up is the basket capacity. Depending on the size of your air fryer, the basket capacity can range from 2 to 6 quarts. Smaller models are perfect for 1 or 2 people, while larger versions can cater to a whole family. Remember, it's crucial not to overcrowd the basket, as this can affect the airflow and your food's crispiness. Some air fryers come with additional features like preset cooking modes. These modes are designed for specific types of food like fries, chicken or fish, and they automatically set the temperature and cooking time for you. And finally, many air fryers have a cool touch handle and exterior. This means even when the air fryer is cooking at high temperatures, the handle remains cool to the touch, preventing any accidental burns. Now that you're familiar with your air fryer, let's move on to preparing it for use. Preparation is key in any cooking process. And when it comes to the air fryer, there are a few simple steps to follow to ensure it's ready for action. First, ensure your air fryer is clean. This means checking the basket and the tray for any leftover food particles. A quick wipe with a damp cloth should do the trick, but if any stubborn bits remain, a soft brush will usually dislodge them. Next, place the air fryer on a stable, heat-resistant surface. You'll want to give it room to breathe, so make sure it's not too close to other appliances or the wall. Finally, it's time to preheat. This step is essential for achieving that perfect crisp finish we all love. Simply set the temperature, typically around 180 degrees Celsius, and let it warm up for about 5 minutes. With your air fryer ready, it's time to start cooking. Cooking in an air fryer is a breeze once you know the basics. An air fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance, perfect for whipping up a wide range of dishes, from crispy fries to juicy chicken. But before we dive into the deliciousness, let's get some ground rules straight. First, don't overcrowd the basket. You might be tempted to stack up those fries or chicken wings, but resist the urge. Overcrowding leads to uneven cooking and less than crispy results. So, give your food some room to breathe. It's better to cook in batches than to end up with a soggy mess. Now that we've got spacing sorted, let's talk about movement. Unlike traditional ovens, air fryers require a bit of shaking or turning. About halfway through the cooking process, give your food a good shake or flip. This ensures all sides get equal exposure to the hot air, resulting in that beautiful, even golden brown finish we all crave. And speaking of cooking process, you might be wondering about cooking times. Well, each type of food has its own ideal timing. French fries, for instance, usually take about 15 to 20 minutes, while a whole chicken could take up to 40 minutes. The key here is to keep an eye on your food and adjust the timing as needed. Most air fryers come with a handy guide that gives you a ballpark figure to start with. But remember, these are just guidelines. Your specific model and the size of your food can affect the cooking time. Finally, don't forget about preheating. Not all recipes require it, but for the best results, allow your air fryer to preheat for about 5 minutes before adding your food. This ensures the cooking starts immediately and your food cooks evenly. So there you have it, the basics of cooking with an air fryer. It may seem like a lot to remember, but once you get the hang of it, it's as easy as pie. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to finding the ideal cooking times for your favorite dishes. Now, let's explore some tasty recipes that are perfect for air frying. First up, we have the classic favorite, crispy fries. Begin by chopping your potatoes into thin sticks, then toss them in a pinch of salt and a splash of olive oil. Pop them into your air fryer, set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius, and let them cook for about 15 minutes. Halfway through, give them a good shake to ensure they're cooking evenly. Once they're golden and crispy, they're ready to enjoy. Next, let's talk about chicken wings. Season your wings with your favorite spices. Maybe some paprika, garlic powder, and a bit of pepper. Once your wings are well coated, arrange them in the air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd them. Set your air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius and cook for 25 minutes. Halfway through, flip the wings to ensure they're crispy on both sides. Once done, serve them hot with some tangy barbecue sauce or cool ranch dressing. Moving on, did you know you can even bake in your air fryer? That's right. This versatile appliance isn't just for savory dishes. To make a simple chocolate chip cookie, mix together flour, baking soda, and salt in one bowl. In another, beat together butter, sugar, and an egg until fluffy. Then mix in your dry ingredients and chocolate chips. Form the dough into small balls, place them in your air fryer, and cook at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes or until golden. Voila! You have freshly baked cookies in no time. And for the health-conscious folks, even veggies shine in the air fryer. Toss your favorite vegetables, like broccoli, bell peppers, and zucchini, with a bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Cook at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes, and you have a delicious, nutritious side dish. These are just a few ideas to get you started. The possibilities with an air fryer are endless. Proper cleaning and maintenance will ensure your air fryer lasts for years. Let's start with the cleaning process. After each use, it's essential to give your air fryer a good clean. Begin by unplugging the appliance and letting it cool down. Remove the basket and pan, then wash these parts with warm, soapy water. For stubborn food residue, a soft bristle brush can be a great help. Now onto the main unit. Wipe the interior with a damp cloth and mild detergent. Avoid using abrasive cleaners or sharp objects, as these can damage the non-stick coating. The exterior can be cleaned with a soft, dry cloth. Maintenance is just as important. Regularly check the air fryer's components for wear and tear. If you spot any damage, contact the manufacturer or a professional repair service. Also, remember to store your air fryer in a dry, cool place when not in use. With these tips, your air fryer will always be ready for your next cooking adventure. So, to recap, we've journeyed through the fascinating world of air fryers and their versatility in the kitchen. We've uncovered the key features that make air fryers a delight for home cooks, from their user-friendly controls to their health-conscious cooking approach. We stepped into the preparation phase, revealing how to set up your air fryer for optimal performance. We then dived into the cooking process, showcasing the incredible variety of dishes you can whip up with this handy appliance. From crispy fries to succulent chicken, the options are truly limitless. We also shared some tantalizing recipe ideas to spark your culinary creativity and inspire your next meal. And to ensure your air fryer remains a reliable kitchen companion, we discussed the importance of regular cleaning and maintenance, offering practical tips to keep it in top-notch condition. With these tips and tricks, you're now ready to make the most out of your air fryer. Happy cooking!